friends, welcome to Easy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off two-factor message authentication on Facebook account. First of all, log into your Facebook account. Click on View Profile and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tab on Settings. Open Account Center. Now, click on Password and Security. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Facebook. If you have two profiles, click on Text Message. Now turn off the button. Now click Turn Off for confirmation. You can see, text messages method is now turned off. Through these steps, you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. If this video assists you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. For any queries, use comments. Thanks for watching.